everybody! It's finally Friday!
Today I gave Diana my demo lesson in English, just like I were a real language sitter. Then I sat in on a course meeting with the rest of the office to check in on all of the active courses.
Okay.
This group review is another major aspect of quality control here.
Ready?
In the afternoon, it was time to grow. We held our monthly growth meeting where we discussed topics that aren't really related to work, but rather to how we can grow and develop as people. Today's topic was Mayo Clinic's 12 habits of highly healthy people and how we can incorporate these habits into our daily lives and the workplace. Now we're all headed to Operta Kuchna, an outdoor kitchen in Ljubljana where we can catch up and get some really good food and celebrate the weekend.
Have a super happy, fun weekend, everybody. See you Monday!